Good day, investor! This is Janelle Ramos from Empire East. Ngayon, andito po tayo sa Covid Garden Residences located in Central Extension, Santa Mesa, Manila. This project is best for family use, rental, and Airbnb business. Dahil walking distance lang po ito sa PUP and 10 minutes away to University Belt. We only have few units left. So what are you waiting for? Check the details below and set an appointment now.